What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my 8th dividend payment with Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. Yes, that is my 8th dividend payment. This is a monthly dividend paying stock, and I'm very excited to share my latest and greatest dividend payment with Prospect Capital. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now I have on the screen my current portfolio. It's currently after hours. The market is about to wrap all the way up. I'm in Houston, so it's central time zone for me. It's almost 5 o'clock, which is when the market will be closed officially here for me in Houston. But currently you can see on the screen my Robinhood portfolio, which right now stands at $267,542.88 as of the making of this video. Now, interestingly enough, today Tesla ran up again. It was the second day in a row, except today it came back down. So yesterday Tesla crossed $1,000, which was a very, very big deal. And so now it actually ran up. It ran up like 60 something dollars today, and then came back down, which is pretty interesting. So you guys can see the journey of my portfolio today. So we have pre-market, which for me is 8 o'clock to 8:30 in Central Time in Houston. And then, of course, after that, you have regular hours, which starts at 8:30. And so, as you can see, my account ran up $5,500. It was up to $273,000 today. Compliments of Tesla, and then also compliments of Tesla. It is currently, I don't want to say down, but sure, it's down right now. Negative $226 today, and then another $300 in the after hours. But it's not really a big deal because overall I'm still up, and that's very, very exciting for me because I was not always up. As a matter of fact, I was very down, like $63,000 October of 2020. But that's beside the point. I'm here to talk to you about my 8th dividend payment with Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. This is a monthly dividend paying company. So right here you can see Prospect Capital right now is trading for $8.35. My total return on Prospect Capital right here, you can see, is I'm up 16%, which happens to be $1,710.88. Very excited about that. Of course, every single time that I'm up on a particular stock, I'm always like, I should have bought more shares. But I think when I invested initially with Prospect Capital, it was like $10,000. So that's a solid amount of money to invest. And so I can't complain. Being up 16% is huge. I don't remember when I started to invest with Prospect Capital, but let's double check here. I'm going to click on show more, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, so February the 11th was when I grabbed some shares. So that's February 11th, 2021. That's this year. Let me double check. Here we go. Let's see. Yep, right here it says February 11th, 2021. I bought $10,000 worth of shares, which allowed me to get 1,400 shares. And then, as you can see, I had a dividend payment here on March. Then, of course, I had a buy on the 21st of March. Then I had another dividend payment on April 22nd. Basically, the rest of this all the way up is going to be dividend payments. So it's dividend payment and dividend purchase. Okay, if I click on dividends here on the right side, I can show you that this is my 8th dividend payment. The first one, March 18th for $84. The second one, April 3rd is May. 4th is July, 5th, 6th, 7th is September, and October is my 8th dividend payment. So the dividend payment started at $84 here in March, and I have not invested anything more than the $10,000 that I invested initially. And now here in October, the dividend payment is currently $88.48. So basically a $4 increase, $4.44 increase in regards to how much I was getting for each month in regards to dividends. If I click on October the 21st here, you can see that Prospect Capital is paying 6 cents per share, and because at the time I had 1,474 shares, I was able to get a dividend payment of $88.48. Now, if I show you guys back here my order, October the 21st, Robinhood is automatically enabled to do the dividend reinvestment plan. So Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares for me automatically, which at the time they bought the shares, it was for $8.38. But right now it's trading for $8.35. Okay. Let me go back and double check that to show you guys here real quickly. $8.35 is currently what it's trading for, and they were able to grab some shares for $8.38. Now, having the dividend reinvestment turned on makes it easy. It kind of set it and forget it. I think I have over 11 or 12 different companies that I'm invested. So let's see. We have PSEC, AGNC, I'm a residential. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the right hand side, 11, 12. And then I have 2 ETFs, well, 13, 14. So these ETFs here with Vanguard, I have 3 ETFs with Vanguard, as you guys can see. That was an accident. I have VYM, which is an ETF, and then I have VGT and VUG. Those are ETFs with Vanguard, and they actually do pay dividends as well. So I don't really count those, but I have basically 12 different individual companies that I'm invested. Tesla does not pay any dividends, but Tesla has been my top earner, okay? But I wanted to take the time to show you guys my latest payment with Prospect Capital. It's very exciting to get these dividend payments, and it's always good to be in the green. For a very long time, I was in the red. As a matter of fact, if I show you all, to show you basically my entire experience on Robinhood, since May of 2020, I started to reinvest in the stock market. So as you can see on the screen, I currently have invested since May of 2020, $241,850. And at that time, I was actually, I did some investing way back in 2016, 2017 on Robinhood, and I lost basically $4,399. Which is why you see underneath the 241,000, you see negative 43,000, okay? Because that's where I was back in 2016, 2017. Then I didn't do anything for 3 years. And then of course, May 2020, I was like, let's get started. And so you can see my journey since May of 2020, but I do want to show you guys right here that October 30th of 2020, I was down negative $63,000. And so my journey since then, of course, my account has been all over the place. So eventually you see that the account portfolio is going up. Then, of course, it went down. Then it went up. Then it went down. And currently, all time now, I'm actually up $21,000, for which I'm insanely grateful, because when I was down negative $63,000, I was like, yo, you know, clearly you're doing something wrong. And what I was doing wrong was I was trying to be a day trader, and I thought I had it. You know, I was like, I'm smart. I know how this works, right? Because a lot of us are really kind of delusional and overconfident in ourselves. And it's amazing to me how I can be overconfident in myself about something that I've never really done before. Like I did it back in 2016, 2017, but I failed miserably. You know, I lost $4,300, and I basically licked my wounds, and I was like, I'm out. Okay. And so being down negative $63,000, you know, I was like, okay, I need to change my strategy. And I was very lucky because Apple and Tesla split in August of 2020, and I basically sold all the positions that I had at the time because it wasn't working out, and I decided to invest heavily into Tesla and Apple, and it has paid off. So I just want to give you guys the most realistic perspective of what my experience has been in regards to the stock market. This channel is not about hype and fluff and me being a guru and me being so smart. No, I was able to make a couple of good decisions, and hopefully in sharing my experience, you guys can make good decisions, but you can make those decisions right from the start. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.